Every foundation is a beginning. The Spectrum Career Development Pathway is more than a course. It is a stepping stone, a first chapter, a seed planted in the soil of possibility. Too many journeys have been paused by barriers, missed chances, closed doors, uncertain starts. Spectrum opens those doors, says your story is still being written, your skills can still be built. No rush, no pressure, just growth at your own pace. In this pathway, you'll learn to strengthen resilience and character, navigate social media and digital spaces with confidence, build a professional profile and curriculum vitae, grow with mentoring and coaching that meets you where you are. It's learning that lifts you higher, step by step. Career development is not just about jobs, it's about futures. It's about believing in your worth, finding your rhythm, and daring to cross the bridge between dreams and action. Spectrum is not just training, it's transformation. Your foundation is waiting. Your pathway is here. With Spectrum, every step is a step toward opportunity, because your story matters, and your future is worth building. Spectrum Career Development, building strong foundations for tomorrow.